Hey everybody, Mike Dingler here, Firehouse Pressure Washing LLC out of Peachtree City, Georgia. You have clicked on, and I hope you click the like button to Firehouse Soft Washing and Roof Cleaning. We are the same company, we're doing the same thing, same employees, firefighters on their days off, but soft washing is something, as you've seen in my other videos, that we do on everything but concrete. So the only thing we pressure wash anymore is concrete. Our roof cleaning is a no pressure application. And so I figured I'd just make this page, Firehouse Soft Washing and Roof Cleaning, to kind of showcase some of the things we do without using any pressure whatsoever. So if you like Firehouse Pressure Washing, I appreciate it. Thank you for following us. I hope you'll like this page as well, the Firehouse Soft Washing and Roof Cleaning. So just wanted to put a quick video. I'm going to pin it to the top. That kind of explains this from now on the differences. But it's the same company. We'll be using both pages. But this one is solely for soft washing and roof cleaning. Thank you. Remember, no one's better with water than a firefighter on his day off, and I hope you have a great day.